Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to give you a performance update of my Mudrex investment. As you all know, I've been using the Mudrex platform for quite some time. Right now, I am still invested in some trading strategies. Today, I'm going to show you my portfolio, and also I would be doing a rebalancing of my portfolio in this video. I would encourage you to watch this video to the end because I would like to show you how you can build your own strategy on Mudrex. Before I start, I would like to say the content of this video is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research on platforms such as this. With that said, let's jump right into this video. Right now, this is the Mudrex Invest page. If I scroll up, now these are the strategies I invested in for some weeks now. I invested in this King ETH on Binance and also this VET Maximizer. And I am going to show you the performance of this strategy. Now let's click on the VET Maximizer. This is the VET Maximizer. I invested in this strategy about 2 weeks ago, and right now it has been doing alright. You can see this is my returns, about 5.62%, and I really like this. Now let's go down to my trades. These are all the trades this strategy has made since I invested in it. You would see clearly that I allocated 150 USDT to this strategy, and so far I have made 8.31 USDT, and this is without me doing anything. I know that this is not much, but this shows that this strategy is working and I could continue to make consistent profit over time, which I really like, and I'm okay with this strategy. Now let's check out the second strategy, King ETH Binance, as this is the second investment in my portfolio. Now let's click on this. This is the second strategy I'm invested in on Mudrex. I allocated 150 USDT and currently I am down 10.77 USDT. Right now I'm in a loss with this strategy. I'm still okay with this because when I invested in this strategy, the whole market was in a downtrend. So this strategy wasn't really performing all that good. The loss I incurred with this strategy is at a minimum. So that's one thing I like about Mudrex. It has a very good risk management system that doesn't allow you to lose much money during a massive downtrend. Now let's go down to the information about this strategy. As you can see, my return is minus 7.29%. If we go over to the live performance of this strategy, you can see that this strategy has a return of over 330% to the upside. Now this is a very good strategy, and I know that in few months time I would be able to recover my losses and steadily make profit as time goes on. We can also go down to the trades that has been made with this strategy. As you can see, these are all the trades made by this strategy. I've showed you the VET Maximizer and also the King ETH. Right now I think I want to add more to my portfolio, so what I will do now is to scroll down. In this editor's pick, I am going to select a strategy that I want to invest in. Let's scroll. I am thinking of investing in this strategy. I would like to trade BTC with this strategy on Mudrex, so I will click on this. Now this is the strategy I want to invest in right now. As you can see, it has a performance score of 7. Before I invest in this strategy, let's go over a few important details. This strategy trades BTC. Right here, you would see that it has been running for 482 days, and the return so far is 227.69%. If you look down here, you would see that it will cost me 1% monthly fee. The minimum allocation is 150 USDT, and right now there are 162 investors currently using this strategy. At this point, I am confident enough to invest in this strategy. So what I would do right now is to allocate funds. Right now, I would allocate 150 USDT to this strategy. So I would allocate these funds right here. You would see that this is my fee. If this strategy doesn't make profit in 1 month, I would get my fees back. That's because this strategy is on Mudrex Protect. I will click on Pay Now. Right now, I have invested in this strategy successfully. Take a look at my investment portfolio. You would see that the third strategy I just invested in is present right here. So these are the 3 strategies I am invested in on Mudrex. To answer some of your questions, you can remove your money from any of these strategies at any time. Right now, before I end this video, if you want to build your own strategy, you click on this. Now this is how it's going to look like. You would see that you can create new strategies. Click on the visual editor. Right here is just a simple drag and drop to make your own strategy. As you can see, I'm dragging this. I can edit this also. Now it depends on the indicator I'm using. If I'm using a MACD, I will just search for MACD and I can input my preferred parameters. So this is how you build your own strategy on Mudrex. Once you've created your strategies, you can backtest your strategy, paper trade with this strategy, and also perform a live trade with your strategy. Now, this is where you're going to backtest, paper trade, and live trade with this strategy. This is very good if you're a trader like me and you want to use your own strategy. You can do all this on Mudrex. If you want to know more information about all this, you can go over here and click on this quick start, and you will see that there are different informations for you to know here about adding blocks, about connecting blocks, even using the blocks. All this right here are informations you can find about building your own strategy. Let's say I want to select this adding blocks. You will see that this is a video that shows me exactly how to drag and drop all these blocks. So this is basically how traders build their own strategies using Mudrex. Right now, this is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoyed this content, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and try to subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about this Mudrex platform, I would leave a video up there right now. You can click on it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.